Welcome to Mission APSC এই যে YouTube channel. আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিব লৈছো এটা নতুন টপিক that is bulk modulus and compressibilities. Okay. So bulk modulus or definition যদি আপোনালোকক সুধে then you have to say that it is basically minus dp divided by dv by vi. That is the negative of change of pressure with respect to the volume change, that is dv with respect to its initial volume, right? আৰু dv by vi ক আমি ভলিউমেট্ৰিক ষ্ট্ৰেইন বুলিও ক'ব পাৰো সো ev আমি লিখি দিব পাৰো সো বেসিক্যালি বাল্ক মডুলাস ইজ minus dp divided by ev. ওকে সো ইয়াক আমি অলপ চেঞ্জ কৰিও লিখিব পাৰো লাইক ইফ ইউ নো ডেন্সিটি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু m by v সো আমি যদি দুইফালে লগাৰিথমিক লৈ লওঁ দ্যাট মিন্স ln লৈ ললো ln m is equal to nl raw plus nl v, right? So density is basically raw. Okay, so তেতিয়া কি কৰিম we can take the derivatives. যদি আমি derivatives লওঁ যেহেতু mass to constant থাকে so 0, so dp by rho plus dv by v. Okay, so it is not p, it is a rho. Okay, d rho by rho plus dv by v, so minus dv by v আমাৰ যেটো টার্ম আমি পাইছিলো in this expressions এটো কিহৰ লগত rho লগত similar হয় so k টো আমি লিখিব পাৰো কেনেকে dp divided by d rho by rho, or from here I can write k is equal to rho to upor jodi uthai diu rho dp divided by d rho. Okay, so we have got two formula k is equal to bulk modulus is equal to rho dp divided by d rho, aru eta formula palu k is equal to minus dp dv by vi. Okay, so we know that for incompressible jodi fluid hoy that means density to amar change no hoy constant, that means change of density, that is d rho is equal to 0. If d rho is equal to 0 yet apnaloke jodi d rho to 0 put kore that means something divided by 0, that means k is infinity, that means it indicates incompressible solid, right? So k to infinity hobo jetia apunar d rho value to constant thakibo, or you can say that rho value to constant thakibo. Incompressible liquid or khetrot you can say the bulk modulus is equal to 0. That's why k is basically a indications of compressibility. Jodi k er value to amar jiman beshi hoy himan tar compressibility to bahi jay, aru k er value to jiman kom hoy himan tar compressibility to komi jay. That means compressibility is inversely proportional to bulk modulus. Okay, compressibility is inversely proportional to bulk modulus kete bahi jay. Then another important thing is Mach number. Mach number is defined as velocity divided by velocity of the sound in that fluid. Okay, sound or khetrot kiman velocity hobo in case of that particular fluid, then it is known as a number. That number is Mach number. Mach number ma is equal to v divided by a, or incompressible solid or khetrot by incompressible fluid or khetrot you can say Mach number is less than 0.33. So for air ami janu air velocity to in sound t35, right? So v by t35 0.03. So for incompressible solid or khetrot amar velocity to 110 meter per second thake, so try to remember it. Okay, so vapor pressure and cavitations ki hoy the pressure which is corresponding to any temperature at which liquid start boiling. So liquid eta jetia boiling hobole start dia at a particular temperature hetu homoyot hey particular liquid tur pressure kiman hoy, that pressure indicate the vapor pressure, right? The pressure which is corresponding to any temperature at which liquid start boiling. Let's suppose 100 degree centigrade boiling hoy water, etu kihor karone hoy jetia pressure to 1 atmosphere thake, jodi pressure to belag thakile heta tetia hole 100 degree centigrade boiling no hoy water, but 1 atmospheric pressure jodi ami apply koru then corresponding 100 degree centigrade boiling hoy water. So we can say 1 atmospheric pressure is basically the vapor pressure. Okay, so suppose konobai jodi apna hude 90 degree centigrade water boil hobone no hoy, so we can say that yes 90 degree centigrade to boiling hoar chance ase because 1 atmospheric pressure khetrot ki hoy 1 atmospheric pressure jodi ami apply koru tetia he আমি কি কৰো 100 degree water boiling to পাও, but jodi ami pressure to change koru, if we increase the pressure like 2 atmosphere 3 atmosphere then 90 ডিগ্ৰী চেণ্টিগ্ৰেডতো বইল হ'ব যদি আমি প্ৰেছাৰটো কনষ্টেণ্ট ৰাখোঁ তেতিয়া আমি বইল কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ বাট ইফ ইউ চেঞ্জ দ্য প্ৰেছাৰ ফ্ৰম 1 atmosphere to 2 atmospheric or 3 atmospheric then there is a possibility that 90 degree centigrade water boil hobo pare okay so mone rakhiba pressure ame jiman komam when we decreasing pressure himan tar boiling tendency to bahibo aru jetia if the pressure 1 atmosphere jodi ami pressure to rakhi diu tetia 100 degree boil hobo 105 degree boil hobo 110 degree to boil ho jabo but 90 degree by 80 degree boil no hoy that means if pressure of any liquid falls below its vapor pressure then liquid starts boiling so vapor pressure tolot jodi if the pressure of any liquid jodi jikono liquid or pressure to vapor pressure tolot hoi jay then the liquid start boiling aru hetu homoyt cavitations start hoy okay so what is cavitations cavitation is basically you can say the suppose efale pipe ot pani goi ase at a time ki hobo at a time pressure will be changed right so pressure to jetia vapor pressure ke kom ho jabo hetu homoyot কিছুমান cavities দেখা পোৱা যায় পাইপত that is cavitations right so যেতিয়া টেম্পারেচার ইনক্রিজ কৰো ভেপৰ প্ৰেছাৰো বাঢ়ি যায় প্ৰেছাৰ কুকাৰত কিয় সোনকালে বইল হয় বিকজ ভেপৰ প্ৰেছাৰটো আমাৰ কি হয় প্ৰেছাৰ কুকাৰত বাঢ়ি যায় বিকজ এইটো ক্লোজ কন্টেইনাৰ হয় সো টেম্পারেচার আমি যেতিয়া বহাই যাম লগে লগে ভেপৰ প্ৰেছাৰটো বাঢ়ি যাব দ্যাটস ওয়াই সোনকালে কি হয় বইল হয় ওকে সো হোৱাট ইজ স্যাচুৰেটেড ভেপৰ saturated vapor that means no more vapor will be filled in this space so it starts exerting pressure on the tops of the liquid suppose it is a closed container ase so yate vapor pressure generate hoy gol suppose yat kono dhoroner space nai tete ki hobo after filling the vapor pressure so jetia temperature to bahai dim tetia more number of pressure will be exerted at the top surface right because there is no vacant sits here, right? So saturated vapors, that means no more vapor will fill in the space. So it starts exerting pressure on the top of the liquid is also called vapor pressures. Okay. So vapor pressure ki effect to ki hoy etue moi koi asilu suppose this is a container pora ifale pani goi ase ei summit point ot ki hobo summit point ot obviously vapor pressure to komi jabo vapor pressure komi jor lage lage etu suppose amar siphon hoy so যেতিয়া এটো কমি আকৌ এফালে আহিব এটো টাইমত কি হ'ব কেভিটি হৈ যাব রাইট সো দিস ইজ দা বেসিক problems in case of pipe so summit to pressure to minimum থাকিব যেটো vapor pressure কে কম so liquid start boiling so হে কারণে কি হ'ব submit point যেটো আমাৰ high point হয় summit point কি হ'ব summit point যেহেতু vapor pressure কে pressure to কম হৈ যায় so liquid start boiling and then formation of bubbles start and these bubbles will move to higher pressure region tar pisot efale tolle ahile pressure to bahi joar lage lage he bubbles bilak higher pressure region ole goti koribo and bubbles collapse and burst aru he bubbles bilak collapse hobo etu stage ot ei stage tut bubbles bilak collapse hobo okay yate apnar ki asile vapor pressure ke bahut kom asile pressure to that's why yat boiling hor lage lage bubbles formation hobo bubbles kini high pressure region le jabo karon efale pressure to bahi goi ase so high pressure region of joar lage lage ki hobo they will he bubbles bilak ki hobo bubbles bilak blast hoy jabo blast hor lage lage pipe or side bilak ki hobo damage kori dibo cavity formation hobo right that is the main problems to avoid cavitation avoid koribole ami ki koru pressure every point should be more than the vapor pressure so protecto point ot every point ot আমি কি কৰো vapor pressure কে বেছি pressure ৰাখিবলে try কৰো তেতিয়া bubbles formation নহয় আৰু bubbles formation নোহোৱাৰ লগে লগে কোনো ধৰণৰ problems নহয় right so হেখিনি আছিল complete all about fluid properties or বিষয়ে আমি details আজি discuss কৰিলো in the next video we'll move to some other important parts of fluid mechanics যেটো আমাৰ নতুন chapter হয় that chapter is basically you can say that fluid statics okay what are the pressure and its measurement he বিষয়ে আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম প্ৰেছাৰ কেনেকৈ মেজাৰ কৰা হয় what the manometer কি হয় statics conditionত কেনে ধৰণে প্ৰেছাৰ আহে কেনে ধৰণে statics conditionত fluid behave কৰে সেই গুটিখিনি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম in the next part will be the part number 12th. So 12th number part of we'll discuss about the fluid statics. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.